Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to animate videos in Canva. First, open Canva and select the video template. Now click on the elements and search for city. Under the graphics option, you will find different kinds of elements. Select the one you like. Adjust the size according to the template. Now search for car element. Now go to the filters option and select animated option. You will find the car elements with animated ones. Now select the one you like. Just the size. Now click on the animate option and select create an animation option. Now drag the image according to the direction you want. Once dragged, you can see that the car is moving towards the direction we dragged. Now under the movement styles, select the steady option. Once done, click on the done button. Now we will create another animation. Go to the elements and search for village. Select the one you want and adjust the size accordingly. Search for helicopter and change the filter to animated. Select the one you preferred. Once selected, adjust the size. You can also adjust the direction of the element by clicking on the flip and selecting the flip horizontal option. Once done, select the animate option and follow the steps we did previously. As I put the helicopter down, I want to add the upward direction, so I am dragging it upwards. Don't forget to select the steady option, as it will apply the steady animation without any deviations. Now for the third animation, I want to move the helicopter forward. So I am duplicating the page. In the previous slide, we moved the helicopter to the top. Also, you can remove the previous animation by clicking on the custom and clicking on delete path. If the helicopter moves forward, the background will also move. So I will apply the animation to the background. Follow the same steps to animate the background. Once completed, click on the done option. Now I will move the helicopter forward using the same steps. Also, don't forget to use the steady option under the movement styles. Once completed, you can click on the done option. You can also add the transition by clicking in the transition option present between two slides. You can also adjust the transition duration. Now for the fourth slide, I will make an animated quote. First, go to the elements and search for fire. Now click on the filters and select the animated option. Now select the fire you want. Once selected, adjust the size accordingly. Duplicate it. Now click on the text option and write a quote. Change the colors according to your preference. Now adjust the template size. Once adjusted, duplicate it. Now decrease the size of the element. Again, duplicate it and decrease the size. In the last slide, change the transparency settings to 0, so that in the last, the fire will disappear. Once everything is done, apply the transitions and see how well the video is animated. This is the final output we got. Isn't it cool? This is how we animate videos in the Canva. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.